All right, today we're going to take a quick look at this 3-in-1 charging station brought to you by Viger. This is pretty neat for travel, so you can see it folds up nice like this. Then you can unfold it and have 3 different charging stations here. You got one for your phone, one for your headphones, and then one for your Apple Watch. It does come with a USB-C to USB-C power cable, so you just plug that right into your USB-C power brick and you have power, and it'll notify you with those little red lights if you can see them there. So let's take a look at this in action as it is going to charge my devices. So first of all, I'll put my phone on here so you can see that is going to activate and turns blue. So there you go, you can see it charging. Now the neat thing about the phone or about the watch is this actually folds up, so you don't have to take the band off. You can just do like that, and you can see this is completely dead, but it's charging right there. So let's see if it'll, let me turn it around actually where the buttons aren't on the bottom. There you go, so that's charging, and then got some wireless headphones here charging there as well. So really neat device. They sent this over for me to check out, and one thing that I really like about it is you can fold it up as like a little stand here, so you can literally put your Apple Watch on one side or your watch on one side, and then you can lay your phone on the other, and it'll charge, and you can use it as like a little phone stand, if you will, while it's charging, if you want to watch videos or whatnot, and charge your watch at the same time, which I thought was pretty cool. So if you're looking for a 3-in-1 station, so you can lay this by your nightstand, travel with it. Once again, it folds up really nice like this, throw it in your bag and go. It's really easy to use. So if you're looking for something like that, then I can definitely recommend this one for you.